Imagine a smart home so compact, it fits almost anywhere, yet still packs in more tech per square foot than anything else on the market. House high voltage. Features and benefits. Starting at just $60,000, this high-tech micro home is a fully functional living space designed for ultimate efficiency and flexibility. Inside, you'll find everything you need: a kitchen, bathroom, sleeping loft, and cozy living area, all arranged with smart use of space. Equipped with solar panels and a battery backup system, it supports sustainable, off-grid living without compromising comfort. Plus, its portable design means you can relocate your entire home with ease, perfect for digital nomads or anyone who craves freedom. Context and real-world impact. The micro house is more than just a tiny home. It's a modern, eco-friendly lifestyle solution with low operating costs and strong potential for return on investment. Whether you're minimizing your footprint or maximizing mobility, it delivers. Closing statement. In a world where space and sustainability matter more than ever, the micro house proves that small can still be smart, stylish, and powerful. Imagine chasing the perfect wave in a luxury hotel that drives along the coast. Wave Man Surfing. Features and benefits. This is the Truck Surf Hotel, a stunning two-story mobile retreat built on a Mercedes Actros chassis. Designed specifically for surfers, it's not just transportation, it's a fully equipped hotel on wheels. When in travel mode, it's 11.2 meters long and 4 meters tall. But when parked and expanded, it transforms, stretching up to 6.5 meters high and revealing a cozy, 5-room interior. Inside, you'll find space for up to 10 guests, including 4 double rooms and 1 single. There's a sleek, modern kitchen, a hot shower, a comfy lounge, and even a rooftop terrace for sunset views. Whether you're chasing waves or just escaping the ordinary, it's all powered by comfort, complete with air conditioning, heating, and Wi-Fi. Context and impact. This motorhome redefines adventure travel. It blends freedom and luxury, letting surf lovers explore with style and no compromises. Closing statement. The Truck Surf Hotel isn't just a ride, it's a destination that follows you. Camping just got a serious upgrade. Meet the Trano Sequoia, a next-gen tent trailer that sets up in minutes and sleeps 10. Tent minibus. Features and benefits. This innovative trailer combines comfort, space, and convenience like never before. With a 29 square meter living area, the Sequoia can accommodate up to 10 people thanks to 2 large double beds, 2 under tents, and a spacious annex tent. Ideal for big families or group getaways. Setup is a breeze. The main tent unfolds in just 5 minutes, while the awning takes about 20 minutes, no tools or poles required. Its standout feature? A surround ventilation system built into the main wagon for ideal climate control in all weather. The Sequoia also includes a modern air awning system, which inflates quickly and easily, making setup even more efficient and hassle-free. Context and impact. By blending smart design with practical features, the Trano Sequoia is redefining what mobile camping can look like: simple, stylish, and stress-free. Closing statement. Starting at around €1,000, the Trano Sequoia isn't just a trailer, it's your next adventure waiting to unfold. What if your dream home could float? The Classic 180 is a houseboat that redefines luxury living, on water. Speedboat Home. Features and benefits. With 450 square meters of living space, this stunning floating home is built for year-round comfort. Powered by 2 engines, it cruises smoothly at 10 km per hour, with a top speed of 16 km per hour, letting you enjoy life on the move without sacrificing stability. Inside, the design is clean, modern, and elegant. The living room features a full glass wall, offering panoramic views of the water. Whether you're sipping morning coffee or watching the sunset, the view is unbeatable. You'll find a fully equipped kitchen, spacious bedrooms, and a sleek bathroom, all built from high-quality materials. And outside, the large terrace is your private retreat, perfect for dining, sunbathing, or just soaking in the serenity. There's plenty of room for loungers, a table, and chairs. Context and impact. This houseboat blends home comfort with freedom. offering a new way to live closer to nature, without giving up luxury. Closing statement. Starting at $643,000, the classic 180 isn't just a boat, it's a floating lifestyle statement. Light enough to tow with ease, strong enough to handle adventure, the Cortez 17 is where simplicity meets smart design. Minibus running dash. Features and benefits. This 17-foot single-axle travel trailer is built by Cortez Campers and stands out for one key reason: its ultra-lightweight frame. Thanks to a patented composite monocoque body made from fiberglass and resin, the trailer weighs just 2,680 pounds dry. That means you can tow it with smaller vehicles while still enjoying everything you need on the road. Inside, it sleeps too comfortably. There's a cozy double bed in the rear and a convertible dinette if extra sleeping space is needed. You'll also find a compact but functional galley kitchen with a stove, sink, and refrigerator. Everything you need for cooking on the go. Despite its size, it even packs in a small bathroom with a toilet and shower, covering all the basics in one sleek space. Context and impact. The Cortez 17 is redefining lightweight camping by combining strength, comfort, and convenience in a compact frame. Closing statement. At a starting price of $45,988, the Cortez 17 proves you don't need a big trailer to live large on the road. This beast isn't just a truck, it's a fully loaded expedition home that can conquer mountains, mud, and everything in between. Snow-capped mountain delivery truck. Features and benefits. Built on a Chevrolet Silverado 6500 HD chassis, the SX is made for off-grid adventures without giving up comfort. Under the hood, it packs a 6.6L Duramax turbo diesel V8, delivering 445 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque. More than enough to take on the toughest terrain. Inside, it's surprisingly spacious. You'll find a well-designed kitchen with a refrigerator, stove, and sink. Everything you need to cook in the wild. The dinette seats up to 6, making it perfect for meals or mapping out your next stop. It also features a full bathroom with a shower, toilet, and sink. The master bedroom includes a cozy queen-size bed, while a second bedroom offers a bunk bed setup, ideal for families or extra travelers. Context and impact. The SX isn't just about exploring, it's about doing it in comfort, no matter how remote the destination. Closing statement. If home is where you park it, the SX makes anywhere feel like home, no road required. What if your tiny home could triple in size, in just 15 minutes? Meet the Grand S1, where mobility meets modern living. House high voltage. Features and benefits. This brilliant compact dwelling expands from 140 square feet to 364 square feet with the push of a button, giving you all the space you need to live, relax, or entertain, no tools or crew required. Inside, it comes fully furnished with a cozy living area, a functional kitchen, a comfy bedroom, and a full bathroom. Despite its size, it doesn't compromise on comfort or style. Built with high-tensile steel and rigid polyurethane insulation, it's made to last, and to protect. It's towable with a standard F250 truck or equivalent, making it perfect for weekend getaways or full-time off-grid living. Context and impact. Thanks to solar power by Renogy, it runs off the grid, giving you true freedom without sacrificing modern comforts. It's innovation packed into every square inch. Closing statement. At just $85,000, the Grand S1 isn't just a tiny home, it's a big idea made mobile. What if your RV could rise into a villa with a rooftop sunroom and a hidden elevator? Welcome to the future of mobile living. Home minibus. Features and benefits. Meet the Maxus V90 Villa Edition, a groundbreaking RV by SAIC Motor that transforms from a sleek one-story ride into a luxurious two-story mobile home. When parked, the main level slides out to reveal over 215 square feet of living space, complete with a stylish living room, a full kitchen, a luxury bar, and a modern bathroom. But here's the twist. A built-in elevator takes you to the upper level, adding another 133 square feet for a peaceful sunroom, zen space, or home office. Outside, you get a pull-out kitchen for open-air cooking, while inside features include LED lighting, a JBL sound system, a washing machine, and air conditioning. Context and impact. This RV isn't just redefining tiny homes, it's rewriting what it means to travel in comfort. It's a smart blend of space, tech, and style. Closing statement. At $413,000, the Maxus V90 Villa Edition doesn't just take you places, it elevates the journey itself.